That's literally like black sludge. Like, I hope the whole system is not contaminated. So the first thing we're doing right now, we're gonna change that out. I got some Honda genuine brake fluid in my turkey baser, so we're gonna suck that out and put some fresh fluid in there, dude.
Yo, good thing you had the idea to check this.
Bill, I've been saving you, man.
Yo, shout out Gerb.
All right.
My man's been saving my ass.
Here we go. We're gonna get this out.
Bruh. Oh my lord. Who wants something to drink?
Bro, what? It's like water and and like tar combined it together.
Anyone want some?
Dude. Bill, that is the worst I have ever seen, bro. So I literally drained out the whole reservoir right now, and whatever this stuff is, it's like contaminated the whole reservoir. So I'm gonna take a napkin or a rag and I'm gently gonna just wipe down the whole inside there, because if I just add fresh fluid to that, this is just gonna contaminate that as well. So about to get that fresh fluid.
That mounting job though. Bruh, it's still coming out like slightly sludgy.
We gotta go up to the second fill mark max. Well, that's better than it was.
No,
bro.
I know it's better.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, like, that's how dirty it was.
Yeah. It's still gonna have some in the clutch line. That's the only thing that sucks. And that's after right there. Crystal clear. Hopefully it stays like that. We're just, I don't know.
Someone popped my head and like threw dirt in my...
Yeah, somebody wants his car to blow up.
Yeah.
They drained his oil out. They put some sludge in his...
It was Valvoline, bro.
Dude, might have been Valvoline, bro. That might have been jelly. But hopefully it doesn't get contaminated again. Just gonna keep an eye on it, and I hope the whole system isn't contaminated. I was gonna try to like bleed his slave cylinder, but we're not gonna mess with that right now because that could lead into like other issues. So hopefully this thing shifts good. We're gonna take it out for a ride and let you guys know. All right, I'm about to take the FA for a nice little spin real quick. See how everything's shifting. Yeah, bang the left, bro. Feels different? Yeah. Things running good, like I said.